Hey everybody, Craig Kuriokis here with Exit Realty Premier, and I want to show you my newest listing here in Yukon at 14516 Privas Lane. This beautiful home was built in 2017 and features 1,900 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, an updated kitchen with granite countertops and shaker-style cabinets, as well as stainless steel appliances, tile flooring, and large windows for maximum natural light. The built-in gas fireplace is great for keeping the entire house warm in the winter months, and the large living room has enough space for the entire family. This home also features a large open concept kitchen. One of the things I love about this house is how large the bedrooms are. The primary suite has a large bathroom with double vanities, soaker tub, standing shower, and walk-in closet. The Montereau addition was built with families in mind, and you'll find signs of that throughout the community. The Montereau addition offers several amenities, including a playground, basketball court, soccer field, clubhouse with pool and fitness center, and ponds with walking trails. If you're looking to purchase a home in Northwest Oklahoma City, you're not going to want to miss this.